There's not any one way to do an alternative Santa, a slightly different imagining of Santa Claus, a darker, more modern tilt. We've already done clubbing Santa. Let's move on to Bad Santa. Bad Santa has it bad. First off, he has a nice little bag of tricks, which, shall we say, have some naughty presents in them. Basically, things that you may not necessarily want to actually give out to children, because this is a Bad Santa Claus. Also part of this Bad Santa Claus costume is you're going to look more disheveled. Your main top is going to be unzipped. Your beard's going to be down over your chin. You're going to be unshaven. You're going to look a little more slobby. Basically, you're going to look like you've been partying way too hard, way too much merrymaking, and now it's finally starting to catch up with you. You are Bad Santa. So basically for this, you can kind of act like yourself, but just definitely focus on being disheveled. If you want to act it up a bit, you can act a little funky, a little messed up, a little off balance, off your kilter. So, and you're going to have other things you can have in your bag, or like, half-eaten containers of cheese, just other things that, show somebody's a little bit messed up.
Nice answer.